We have started the construction of Airpal. So if you have purchased this kit, you could start watching our videos. We'll try to overcome your problem of the manual. So you can come along with me and start making your Airpal transceiver step by step, the way I tell you. These videos will be posted on YouTube and Facebook. So any later time you could watch these again and recollect what has been said in this video. So the first stage that we start is we start off with the power supply. So the power supply, this is the relay out here, relay 1. So the components that you have to mount are you have to mount these components. Relay. So the first one is the relay. You have to mount a relay. Then these two resistors, 1K, 1K, 0.1 capacitor out here, C5. So R1, R2, C5, C2, 47 microfarad. Then these two capacitors, C3, C4, which are 100 nanofarad, 10 ohm 2 watt resistor, 4148 and 7808 transistor. You can see how this is mounted. This is the correct position for it. This is the plastic one. I hope it is a bit clear now. What else we have? We have a 2-pin connector. This is a 2-pin connector. Just observe the polarity. The brown is on the top, the black one is on bottom. So the black one should be on the ground side. And we have this LED. This LED will come on your front panel. So presently it is in the RX state. So when you press this connector out here, this is the PTT and mic wire. This green wire out here that I'm showing you, this is going to the microphone. This is going to the microphone. So and this red one is the ground. The red one in the center, this is ground, and this black one is going to the relay for PTT switching. So if I'm having some problem since I'm holding the camera, I need to make some adjustments. So if I join these two wires, that is black and red, I'll go on transmit. So this is receive. If I press these two wires, I am on transmit. This is PTT switch basically. So presently it's on the green, it is on RX, and it's on TX when these two wires are pressed together through your microphone PTT. Now about this LED, this is a dual LED. So the cathode is in the center. There are two anodes which are on the left and right. So you have to see which one is lighting on green and which is on the right. So you can interchange these if you make a wrong connection also. So this is coming out here to J2. It is coming to J2. We have J1 for 12 volts. Then this capacitor, then 4148. This relay, this 10 ohm 1 watt 2 watt resistor, 4148, 200 nanofarad, 147 microfarad, and 7808. So this is giving 8 volts and 12 volts. This power supply is giving the transceiver 12 volts and 8 volts. So you can check at the terminal of 7808 whether it is giving you 8 volts or not. I'll do this later. Since I'm recording this, it's difficult for me to put a multimeter and give a test. So this is the first step. So we have completed the first step. This is mounted on the front side, mic PTT. This is on the front side, so you don't have to mount any other component presently. Just mounting this connector is going to do. You can interchange this connector also, it won't matter, since the ground is in the center, so that won't matter much. So this also won't matter if it is connected in the reverse, since the ground is in the middle. But this one is important. This should be in the correct polarity, the brown one top and the black one below. So this completes our very first construction. We can call this step 1. So this is the power supply that we have started off with. So our power supply is complete. You just need to check the 7808 whether it is giving 8 volts or not. So that will complete the test. So thank you. So today we have completed the first step, and gradually I'll take you to the other steps so that you won't regret purchasing our Airpal transceiver. And I will lay much more emphasis on making videos and helping you guys to make your transceivers. So thank you.